2021 to 2022 Toyota Venza USB aux port replacement. What's up, everybody? I'm in a 2021 Toyota Venza. I'm going to show you how to replace this USB port down here with your aux port. This usually has like a lid, but they always break off. But anyways, you want to get yourself a plastic pry bar tool. I will link it below in the description. The one with the hook, maybe a small flathead. Actually, maybe something like this to help with the connectors. I'll show you what I mean. So you want to take the hook side of the interior tool and just kind of get it in between the outer shell of the USB port. And then once you get it kind of in between, you can kind of pop it out and then just work this around the whole thing. It'll pop out. Just be patient with it and then grab it. Don't just rip this out because it has two connectors on it. Gently pull it forward. And then this is where the small flathead comes in. These connectors have tiny little buttons in the center. You push the buttons down and then pull the connectors backwards and then they'll come out. Don't pull by the wires because you'll break the wires. So just reach in here and get those disconnected. Once you get this disconnected, you can remove it like this. Try not to let the connectors fall back into the dash. I kind of pull them out a little bit, make sure they don't go back in. Now this has a little outside panel on it or bezel. We're going to remove this. With this little small flathead, there's like little things on the sides, and you can compress them and then just separate the USB port from the little plastic bezel because you're going to reuse the bezel. Now once you get this disconnected, let's take a look at the part number on the side. Here's the part number, 86190-420. They don't currently sell this on Amazon, but I will update the links periodically to Amazon ones or maybe aftermarket ones as they come out. As of this video, it's still a little early for that stuff, but you can get ones from Toyota Parts Dealer. It's 670 bucks. I don't know why, it's just the price. But anyways, once you get your new one, we're going to put it into this plastic bezel panel, and then we're going to go reconnect the connectors. They can only go in one way in their correct port, so just plug them in. Once it goes plugged in, we'll just push this guy in here, make sure it's the proper orientation. It should just snap into place. You don't need to update the radio or nothing like that. You should just be good to go. And yep, that's how you do it. So hopefully this video helps you out, and thanks for watching. All right, guys, that's all the information I got for you. The rest of the video is just some products and other stuff I got going on. Totally up to you if you want to stick around. I got a 15% off AUXITO.com promo code. Now, AUXITO has a bunch of products, but what they're mostly known for is their really good aftermarket headlights. So if you got an older car, 80s, 90s, 2000s, even a newer car, if it has a bulb, they probably got an upgraded bulb for you. You may have seen aftermarket LED headlights on Amazon, but the thing, I'm not going to say any names, but the thing is, they have a lot of issues. Sometimes they start to flicker after a few months, or they get hot and the LED burns off. AUXITO headlights come with integrated fans and modules that control all that stuff. So these are plug and play, super easy to put in. These are available on Amazon. You can get them there. However, if you go to the website and use the promo code GearmoAuto, you can get 15% off. It's really easy. All you got to do is go to the website on your phone or your computer and then put in what kind of car you have, what year, make, and model, you know, that stuff. And then it'll display to you all the available lights for your vehicle. You can get headlights, tail lights, interior lights. Highly recommend getting some good interior lights. You'll be surprised how bright it is. So just type GearmoAuto in at the checkout and you'll get 15% off.